Hi, I am Sumbul Arshad. I am from Pakistan. I have a professional degree of computer science. I am a professional teacher in a college. I have 2 year experience in different platforms as a tutor. I can teach all the students from primary to middle to O level, A level, FSC, ICS, BSc and MSc also. I can teach all the computer subjects from basic to advanced level. We can say that database, operating system, networking, advanced networking, and also programming languages. There are some programming languages: C, C++, Java, HTML, PHP, JavaScript, and CSS. I can also teach math and accounting subjects. If any e-commerce students can help out from these subjects, they are also welcome to my profile. I can also help out you for preparing your quizzes, assignments and all others projects also. I am looking forward for positive response from you to me. Thank you so much.